are thankful to you that you, Lord, are our God and the God of our fathers forever. You are in every generation the rock of our lives and the shield of our deliverance. We will give thanks to you and recount our praise for our lives which are committed into your hand, and for our souls which are entrusted to you, and for your miracles of every day with us, and for your wonders and favors to us at all times, evening, morning, and noon. We are thankful to you that you, Lord, are our God and the God of our fathers forever. You are the generous one, for your compassion is never withheld. And you are the merciful one, for your kindliness never ceases. For we have always placed our hope in you. For all these things, may your name be blessed and exalted, our King continually, forever and all time. Let all that lives thank you and praise your name in truth. God, our Savior and help, blessed are you, Lord, whose name is the Good One, and to whom thanks are due. We are thankful to you that you, Lord, are our God and the God of our fathers forever. Grant shalom, goodness and blessing, life and favor, and grant kindness and compassion upon us and upon all Israel, your people. Bless us, our Father, all of us as one, with the light of your countenance. For by the light of your countenance, Lord our God, you gave us a Torah of life and the love of kindliness, righteousness, blessing, compassion, life, and shalom. And may it be good in your sight to bless us and to bless your people Israel at all times and at every moment with your shalom. Blessed are you, Lord, who blesses his people, Israel, with shalom. We are thankful to you that you, Lord,